Hey, welcome back, friends. In this video I wanted to discuss with you what's been probably the hardest part for us living this lifestyle and being off-grid. And that's getting out and doing this. Let me explain. When we arrived at my uncle's ranch in the spring, we fully intended to unbox the bikes right away and hit the amazing local routes. I mean, the whole design of our trailer was so we could cycle in all sorts of new destinations. However, the intense building timeline we undertook prevented us from getting out. And because the trailer was still not 100% livable when we hit the road, it has been extremely hard for us to get out biking. Combined with seeing so many other roadies on our travels, this lack of cycling has started taking its toll on our mental health. But we finally got the bikes ready and are ready for a ride. It takes a lot longer to do anything when you're on the road. I had to find one water bottle, so I had to put the whole ramp down because that water bottle was with hiking gear, which is stored in the back right now, and not cycling gear, which is stored with our bikes. Whereas when we were in Boston, it could take us maybe 15 minutes to get on the bikes and get on the road. All you gotta do is change because you know where everything is. So it takes a bit longer to get going. Well, as you can see, I had to put the ramp down a second time. This is what I mean about taking forever, because we need a very specific cloth now to clean the disc brake, which also happens to be in the back of the ramp. Oh, and by the way, finally got my cycling gear on. Yeah. Fits better than it did previously to coming out here. I think by the time I was done with my dissertation, I'd put on about 10 to 15 pounds from all the sitting and writing and stress. But I think the process of building this bad boy out and all the working and the 90 plus degree weather, forgetting to eat, slimmed me back down, so I guess that's a good thing. But yeah, hopefully we get the bikes put together here and see you out there. Here, fill up some water using our be-free camping water bottles. I got a filter in them so we can filter straight out of a stream like this. Hopefully get some cold water. It's pretty hot. Just realized I grabbed my old one. I've got two of these guys. This one's got a hole in it, so it's not filtering very well. Well, that was a failed adventure. Whew, catch my breath. It's just a little hot out. Got going a little later than we thought we would this morning. Oh, the elevation's kind of getting to me, and the heat. Whew, quick update. The hill still sucks. I made it past the 10% grade part. Now it's on to more like 6%. Holy crap, that's hard. Not a single break. Nope, didn't stop once going up that hill. That's what I'm going to tell my wife, at least. Don't tell her any different. Hopefully she doesn't watch that. Oh, no, but in all seriousness, she made the right decision to stay down there. I've got wider gearing than she does. Yeah, she wouldn't have liked going up that. But time to put the bike away and go give her some shoes and go get her. So, get to it. All right, put the bike away. Got the AC started up in there, so it'll be nice and cool when we get back. I forgot I gotta close the vent in here, otherwise it's just all vent right on out. Sorry, it's pretty dark at the moment, I bet. All right. Lock her up. And drive all the way back on down. So I don't know if you can really tell on this video here, but this is about a 6 to 8% grade going down. And ever since we loaded up the back of the truck with all of our junk, it's not all junk, but once we loaded it all up, that weight back there, the truck just loves it. I know some people have like the Tremor package F250, but we would have had to go with the 4-door, and we really weren't keen on adding any more length to the vehicle than needed. Although in retrospect, 4-door maybe would have been great for throwing the bikes in the back, but and we would have had to spend like $10,000 or $15,000 more. Why do I want to spend that much more just to get a little bit better suspension package? I mean, I can take this to an off-road aftermarket shop and probably spend $15,000, $20,000 and get a really good off-road suspension package, much better than the Tremor. So that was kind of my thinking with it. Is if we needed it, we could get it. But so far, once we put some weight in here, it's been great. It looks so tame when you're driving it. It's not. There she is.
Did you make it?
Well, hello there. Yeah, I didn't stop once.
Oh yeah?
No, I stopped so many times. It was horrible.
Did you regret?
Yeah, I totally regretted it. Oh my god. Oh, you would not have been happy.
Yeah.
Because if you stop, like getting started again, you just slip and slide your rear tire.
Yeah.
And I handle so much better on like bumps because of my frame,
right,
the way it's designed. You know, it's designed to be pliable.
Right, but if you, what I was worried about. If you stop on the slope, you're not gonna survive.
Yeah, and
yeah.
I did stop on a slope.
Well, there's no flat space.
I know. Oh.
Like, how did you get back moving when you were on?
Oh, when I stopped.
Slope?
I just did it. Slipped and slide a little bit and did it. Yeah, yeah.
Because also, I feel like, I mean, I feel like I was just listening to my gut feeling.
Yeah.
And also, like, I'm already clumsy.
Give her one of these guys. Pick a color, any color. You get red.
No, hey!
Pink?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I get red. It's pretty hot in the trailer, I'll tell you that.
Eh. I'll skip this, I guess. Yeah.
Bye! So unfortunately she's gotta walk all the way up that hill. We did it the other day. We just went for a little walk. It took us about 45 minutes to go down and go back up, just kind of at a casual pace. The truck is just, it's so full. We have so much stuff in there that needs to go. I mean, guys, we've been through so many rounds over and over and over again of getting rid of stuff since we sold our condo in Boston, like almost exactly a year ago. Year next month. And since then we've just gone through so much stuff: Goodwill, selling, giving stuff to friends, and we still have too much. About a third of what's in the truck bed right now, we already know needs to go to donation. It's already set aside, or needs to be sold. So I've got 2 extra bikes sitting right in the truck bed right now too. So we have 4 total bikes with us right now, which is just crazy. But selling our other older 2 bikes was low priority. We had so much stuff to do in order to get us on the road. We figured, worst case, we can just go donate them. I really want it to go to someone who, for free, who doesn't have anything. I did that with one of my older bikes that I brought with me all the way from Arizona. As my mom's bike, and I never rode it. I didn't have the wheels. She had the wheels. I wasn't able to take the wheels with me. I had no room whatsoever. And I put out front our condo before selling, said free, and apparently one of the guys across the street from us, who's renting, from my good friend Diego. Shout out to Diego if you're watching. Miss you guys. But he didn't have a vehicle or anything, and needed a way to get around, and he was just so surprised that we sent it out there for free. But I'm glad he got good use out of it and is riding it. So that made me feel really good. I hope these next 2 bikes can do the same for someone else. Getting out to bike is one of our favorite pastimes and ways to exercise. But with always being on rough gravel roads, it necessitates us to load our bikes into the truck and drive them to the pavement. It's using a lot of brake, I'll tell you that. Until recently, that required a lot of shuffling of stuff in the truck bed every time we want to bike. We did finally sell 1 bike and we donated the other, which gave us room to build an organizing platform. Unfortunately, our calculations were ever so slightly off, which means some more lovely shuffling of stuff out of the back seat to fit the second bike. Some days it feels like this act of shuffling is our primary pastime. But little by little we are turning this cargo trailer into a true home for us. If something doesn't work, we can change it. That's the beauty of building your own space. And in the meantime, we have taken up other activities to help keep us active on the days when we just can't bear shuffling one more single thing. If you want more stories of our adventures and lifestyle, head over to our blog on Patreon. There are a growing number of stories, all available for everyone at no cost. And if you're a fan of what we are doing, consider becoming a patron, or give us a thanks in the tip jar located below in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks for being a good human.